D, D, D. Terminals. Conductor, lead. New capacitor there. Goes inside the tube. Out. Comes up to a capacitor and goes into the earth side of the port what gives out electric. 2 wires from the top. One goes directly to ground earth. The other one has a diode on it, and it's the positive what gives out. It goes over here to the other wire what comes from that one what gives the power. This coil was 40 times. Now the same coil opens up and it's wrapped 9 times, and then the last coil is wrapped 3 times. I didn't even use the proper wire. I used normal house wire ripped out of a roll. But working, I put 0.09 of a volt in, and it comes out at hang on. That's what it comes out at. In 0.09 volts, and it cycles by the looks of it from 0.02 up to 9, and then cycles back down, cycles back up, cycles back down, cycles back up, constantly on the power source from the mains. The outlet power source, which is added from the 2 new wires, D, and D means terminal. In Tesla, the D means where wires connect. You see? The extra power leads come out now, and it gives a constant. It doesn't drop below 1 volt, it just rises. But if your arm, say you're testing with a tester, and you're near the tower, it drops off. It's like your body draws its energy away. Now, I've not tested this outside, but indoors right now, I am getting 104% over unity. Right? So Einstein can have that. The bleeding Zionist puppet. There you go. Now share the life out of this. What I am thinking of here, the bottom winding of coil B, which is classed as coil A, but it's the same coil. You can he specifies, but he doesn't say why, or doesn't say. He says you can or you can't. You can use iron for the outer bit of coil B. L1 he calls it, I think. Is it L1? Yeah, L1 he calls it in his diagrams. This L1, it's 1, and it opens up. And I was reading as well that should be the outer one 3, the next one 6, 3, 6, 9. Tesla's key. This one should be 9, and then when it opens out, it should be 6, and then the outer one should be 3. So 3, 6, 9. The goose drank wine. Remember that. If you understand the key to 3, 6, and 9, it will unlock the universe. Now, Tesla stated the whole universe was energy, just like we are. The whole universe was energy. So why would he say 3, 6, 9 will unlock the universe? Now, there was this sketch what he did as well, and it shows you the earth, exactly what it does. You see? You see? Now here, this is what everyone's been building. This is L1, and then obviously you had L2 around it, but this is the extra capacitor here. Comes out from the join where the conductor joins, the tower, the cylinder for the top comes out here, you see. Then this here is what he drew, what draws the energy away from it, the usable over unity energy. You see, no one's built this part to go with it. You see, working. Try and pause that for you so you can take a photograph. Sorry about this, you know, the spelling on it. I'm dyslexic, but you know, 3 days I did that in and all. You should all be ashamed of yourselves. I know nothing about electric, and 3 days. Good luck to you all.